Students, the sixth class will be continue lesson number 2, geography portion, page number 119, longitude and time. We calculate the time according to the position of the sun. The position of the sun and the earth keeps on changing due to the rotation of the earth upon its axis. One rotation of the earth upon its axis gives us the measure of the day. There are 24 hours in a day. Due to the rotation of the earth, the sun appears to move across the sky from east to west. But actually, the earth rotates from west to east direction and complete one circle which has 360 degrees. Thus, the earth rotates through 360 degrees of longitude in about 24 hours. Therefore, our earth rotates through 15 degrees of longitudes in 1 hour and 1 degree of longitude in 4 minutes. As the earth rotates, every meridian faces the sun once in every 24 hours. When the sun shines exactly overhead or is at the highest point in the sky, it is midday or 12 noon at that meridian. Wonderful to know, the word meridian is derived from the Latin word meridianus, which means midday. AM stands for antemeridian, which means before noon. PM stands for post meridian, which means afternoon. The longitude passes through Greenwich has been taken as the standard meridian by all the countries of the world. When it is midday or noon time in Greenwich, all the places among the prime meridian have noon time. It also means that if any meridian is facing the sun, all the cities located on that meridian will have noon time. The earth keeps on rotating on its axis from west to east. Therefore, the cities and places located toward the east of the prime meridian have sunrise earlier than those cities which are situated toward the west. Cairo, 31 degree east longitude, experience sunrise before Canton, 81 degree west longitude, and Kolkata, 88 degree east longitude, experiences sunrise before New York, 74 degree west longitude. Thus, the cities toward the east of Greenwich are ahead of the Greenwich time. Cities located west of the prime meridian will experience noon after Greenwich. Therefore, they are said to be behind the Greenwich time. Thus, we observe that the difference in time between any two places is due to the fact that they are located at different longitude or meridians. Local time and standard time. The local time of an area depends on its longitudes, but it differs from place to place because these places are situated on different longitudes. This causes a great inconvenience for the country as a whole. To overcome this phenomena, the time of central place situated on a particular meridian is taken as the uniform time for the whole country. This is called the standard time of that country. In India, the time of Allahabad city, which is situated at 82.5 east longitude is used as the standard time for the whole country. Thus, the meridian 82.5 east is known as the standard meridian of India. As Allahabad is located on an eastern longitude, it experiences sunrise ahead of Greenwich. For every degree of longitude, there is a difference of 4 minutes. Therefore, the Indian Standard Time is 82 multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 330 minutes ahead of GMT, or we can say Indian Standard Time is ahead of GMT or Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours 30 minutes. Time zones. Some countries are very big. For example, the USA, Canada, Australia and Russia. A large number of longitudes pass through these countries. Thus, one standard time for these countries is impossible for practical purposes. Therefore, to solve this problem, the International Prime Meridian Conference held in 1884 agreed to divide the whole world into 24 standard time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone runs from north to south in the form of an narrow belt. In most cases, the west-east boundaries of every zone have been adjusted with the political boundaries of the countries. The meridian or longitude that passes through the middle of each time zone has been chosen to represent the standard time of that time zone. In most of the cases, the standard time of time zones is ahead or behind GMT by exact number of hours. Only in the case of a few countries, the difference is half an hour. Some countries of the world fall under a number of time zones because it is not possible to select one time zone due to its large area, like Russia, which has 11 time zones, while Canada has 6 time zones. International date line. The 100-degree meridian is called the international date time. 180-degree east and 180-degree west is the same meridian, but it is not a straight line. It is drawn on the map in a zigzag manner to accommodate countries or groups of islands on one side of it. If we cross this line from west to east, we adjust our watches by adding a day, but we subtract a day when we cross the international date line from east to west. Points to remember. A spherical representation of the earth is called a globe. 3 reference points describing the location of a place on the surface of the earth are the North Pole, the South Pole and the equator. Heat zone of the earth include torrid zone, temperate zone and freeze zone. The meridian passing through Greenwich is known as 0-degree meridian or prime meridian. We calculate the time according to the position of the sun. The meridian 82.5 east is known as the standard meridian of India. The 180-degree meridian is called the international date line.